guys, welcome to another video of Autoflare. So finally the S-Cross has come back. I'll link up my earlier video where I explained exactly what happened to this car. So to give you an overview, this car went through a huge flood and there was a lot of flood damage with inside the car, the electronics, the interiors, everything. And now the car is finally back. The car seems as good as new and it also drives as well. So please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So now when we look at the exteriors of this car, luckily there was minimal damage to the outside, but most of the damage was to the interiors of the car, the engine and the electronics, except the brake disc, which is now clean. So there was a lot of rust which had formed on the disc itself. So now it has been cleaned and sanded, so now it's good. So now when we jump into the car, you can see that the interiors are completely cleaned up. There's no fungus anywhere. The steering wheels, the seats, everything is clean. If you remember earlier, the dashboard had a lot of fungus on it, so that's all clean. And now especially the carpets, which had a lot of water, they have been completely changed, replaced. And if you remember, my hand movement had become really famous. But yeah, there's no water anywhere inside on the carpets, so that's all good. Now when you come to the instrument cluster, I had shown you in the earlier video that there were a lot of errors, but now the car starts, everything is good. Even the hybrid system works now, but recently, in fact just yesterday, this engine light has popped up. So now I'm guessing we have to get it checked again, which is really sad. But the car drives well. The car drives almost like it's a new car. It's comfortable. A lot of parts have been changed. So the engine was completely serviced. The electronics had been changed. The wiring had to be changed. And a lot of cables, etc. had to be changed. So a lot of work has gone into this car. Luckily, the insurance has claimed everything. So that's good news. If you look at the back is also clean. There's no problem anymore. There were slight issues as fungus had formed in the cracks over here. So I got that cleaned up as well. And if you remember, there was condensation due to the fungus inside the car. So that's also no problem anymore. So overall, shout out to Nexa Service. They did a really good job considering how damaged the car was. So to sum up, the car feels almost as good as it used to be, but there is a slight drop in power that could be related to the new engine light, check light coming up. So I hope that's not a major issue, and I'm sure the service center guys will help us with that. But other than that, the exteriors were not damaged as much, but the interiors were the main issue, and as I showed you, it's all back to normal. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and please like this video if you did and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.